Happy Thanksgiving's Day. Yes, it's today Turkey Day. Welcome back with the second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 28th, 2024. And we have here 3 regular puzzles. One of those puzzles I've already solved. The 3 Star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles remain. JigSaw Sudoku and the 4 Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now but in the evening. Now I will continue with these 3 regular puzzles, and the puzzle with 4 stars will be number 9669. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Well. 4 stars puzzle Sudokus has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes. 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars puzzle. We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, 3 2s, 4 3s. Alright. 2 4s, 1 5, 4 7s. Alright. 1 2 3 4. How about 8s? 1 8. 3 9s. So the 3s and the 7s are in majority. Can I start with the 3? Yes. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so in the third column there are only 3 places left, but the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in the last row, no 3 there, the only place left, but 3 should be there. Need a 3 here. 3, 3, 3, 3. Need a 3 here. Cannot continue with the 3. How about the 7 then? 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column 3, now only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Need a 7 here. 7. Need a 7 there. Well, will be difficult. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next, so that column, the only place left, 2 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so last column, the only place left, 9 should be there. 3 3. Well, need a 4 here. And I need 9 there. Need a 3 there. In this big square we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in the first row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 3. 7 9. Nine. 9. Well, 4 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have 4 and the 9 in this big square, so no 4 and 9 in these 2 boxes. 4 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 4 9, 4 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 4 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes here. 6 8 and the 5. 6 8 and 5. Well, how about 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the last column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. That means 1 digit left in the last column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5. 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in row 3 in the middle row, the only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the first row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. How about 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left, the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left, 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. How about the 7's then? Yeah. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Well. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and 7, 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. Well, 2 numbers left now in the middle row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. And let me mark those 2 boxes that appear in this big square. And numbers, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. 2, 2, 2, 2. Two, 4, 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9, 9, 9, 2, 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 8.
Yeah, of course, but I think you have, I think I sometimes like, for example, when I go my eyes, it's something I can't control it.
4 and 8 overlooked. Overlooked this 4. 4 and 8, we have a 4. So no 4 there, 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. We need a 4 here. Need a 8, need a 8. 8, 8, 8. Come on, 4, 4, 4. Well. In the 5 here. I'm thinking. Need 9 here, yeah. In this column, we need a 9. Here, give me 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. So the 9 in the third column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 5 and 8. 2 missing numbers in the third column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 5 goes there. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. Okay. Now, 8, 8. 8, 8. Need an 8 here. Come on, come on, come on. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left. 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. I need a 9 there. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. How about 2 and 4? 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. 4, 4. Need a 2, 2, 2. 2 in this row, 2 in, 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only place level 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. Need a 7 here. Well, need an 8, need a 7, need a 1. Need a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 5, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. And look, we have 5 and 8 in this row. No 5 and 8 in this box. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so last row only place level the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now. In this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers 1 and 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers? The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Well, cannot fill this yet. 1, 4, and a 5. How about these 2 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Still cannot fill this yet. 4, 5, 8. 1, 1, 1, 7. Need a 7 here. How about the 9? 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place level 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now. This big square for numbers 1 and 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, third row, 4 in the second row, so the first row, the only place level 4 should be there. So the 5 and the 8 are left, 5 and 8. Here we have a pair 5 and 8. That means that this box can be a 5 in more. We have a pair 5 and 8. So this box will be a 7 then. That box in this big square should be the 5. 5 and 8, okay. 5 and 8, we have a 5 now in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 5, 4 and 8, we have a 5 now, so this box should be an 8. 5, 4 and 8, we have an 8 now, so this box should be a 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row being the only place left, the 5 should be there. One box left in this row for number 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4. 1 and a 4, we already have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And 2 numbers left in the last row. For numbers 1 is missing the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in this mix where no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes there. 8 in this row. 8 in. Oh, we already have 8. How about the 7 in this row? 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left with the 7 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in the second row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Well, we solve it again. But is this a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes. Otherwise, it will be 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.